How to verify your account on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can verify your account on Cash App. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to verify your account on Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then basically launch Cash App on your phone. Before we try to verify it, make sure you've added a phone number and an email address to your Cash App account, as you can find them here. Now we are going to move on to the process of verifying our Cash App account. Most likely when you open up Cash App, you might get a notification prompting you to verify your account. In case you don't get it, just try to add some cash over here. When you try to add a specific amount of dollars, Cash App will ask you to verify your identity to continue using Cash App. So now what you want to do is just go ahead and hit the continue option here. Once you hit the continue button, as you can find them, all you need to do is simply make sure to enter your legal name here. Once you enter legal name, hit the next option. Verify your date of birth as well. Once you verify either of these, tap on next option again. Make sure to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, hit the next option. It'll ask you for a couple of other details to upload illegal documents and state ID or passport or driver's license, whatever else you have. Provide them to Cash App. Depending upon the information and the validity of the date, your Cash App account will get successfully verified. This way I can verify my account on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.